Hey everyone, this is Aurélie from Imagine Web Design. Today I would like to go over, today in this video I would like to talk about pages in Squarespace. Now before we dive into the technical how-tos, let's talk about why your page structure in Squarespace matters so much and why I'm making this video. Your website pages are like the blueprint of your online business. They don't just hold your content, they define how visitors move through your site, what they click on, and whether they take the action you want, like booking a consultation or signing up for your newsletter. In Squarespace, all of this is managed inside the Pages panel. And how you organize it will make or break your site's clarity and flow. A cluttered navigation confuses visitors. Pages with messy URLs look unprofessional. And if you don't use the right tools, like duplicating or hiding pages, you'll waste time and lose opportunities. That's why I created this video. I want to give you a solid foundation in understanding how Squarespace page structure works and how to manage it strategically. This way, your site not only looks good, but also functions like a business tool that supports your goals. Here's what we'll cover today: how to add and organize your pages, why duplicating pages is one of the smartest shortcuts, what to do if you delete a page by accident, and how to keep your navigation clean with folders and drop-down menus. So let's jump in. Once you are in your Pages panel, you will see two main areas: the main navigation and the not linked section. The pages that show under the main navigation are the pages that show up in your site's menu, which is your header. Think about the home page, the about page, services, contact page, etc. The main pages of your website. In the not linked section, these pages still exist and are still accessible online, but they don't appear in your main menu. They're perfect for landing pages that are not as important, the thank you pages, your legal pages, terms and conditions, etc. Or any private content you want to have in your website. So here's a pro tip. Instead of deleting a page you don't want right now, drag it into the not linked section. That way, you keep it without cluttering your navigation. To add a new page, click on the plus icon in the Pages panel. You'll see options like blank page, page layouts, scheduling, blog, store, events, videos, course, etc. Select what you need, give it a name, and it will appear in your panel as new page. Now let's talk about page settings, because every page has them. When you hover a page and click the little gear icon here, this will open the page settings. From here you can edit the page title. This is the name that will appear at the top of your browser. From here you can edit the page title, which shows in your browser's tab. Edit the navigation title, which shows in your menu. This is what will show in your header. Make sure you keep this shorter than your page title, as you want your menu to be very clear and easy to understand. The URL slug. Make it short, make it clean, and lowercase. For example, you will change new page for services or contact. In the case you're working on a template, these pages already exist, but if you'd like to change them, this is where you will do so. SEO settings. This is key when updating a page. This is what people will see in Google search results, and this is what will help you rank in Google. So add a clear title and a short keyword-rich description. You can also upload a social image, so your page looks good when shared online. One of the best practices as you are ready to launch your website is to go through every page in your template and make sure these settings are updated before launch. Let's talk about duplicating pages. Let me show you how. In your Pages panel, hover over a page that you want to copy. Let's say you have several types of services and you'd like to create a new service page. Click on the little gear icon, scroll down all the way to the bottom and click Duplicate Page. This page will automatically show in the Not Linked section. While you are editing this page, as long as the page is not completely final, I suggest to keep it under Not Linked. Whenever you are ready to launch this page, you can then move it to the main navigation section. So let's rename this page with another type of service. From here, you've already renamed the page. Your navigation title automatically reuses the same as the page title, but if you'd like to have a longer page title and a shorter navigation title, feel free to update it here. Make sure to edit the URL slug. Service-page-1 is not an optimized URL slug. Here, I want to use a keyword like acupuncture. Remember, this is the URL that will show in your browser. Keep it clean, keep it short, keep it descriptive. And make sure to update your SEO settings. When you duplicate a page, the SEO title and description do not duplicate. You will need to go over this section and update it yourself. Both the SEO page title and the SEO description will show up in Google in the search results. You need to think about adding keywords naturally. Think of what your client would search for. Here are a few tips when writing page descriptions. First, keep it around 150 to 160 characters so it displays fully in Google results. Include keywords that potential clients would actually search, like acupuncture in your city, nutrition coaching, or wellness programs. And make it action-oriented with a call to action. For example, book your session today, learn more, start your journey. Make sure you save once you're done. In order to delete a page, simply click on the gear icon, scroll down, and click on Delete Page. Now, let's talk about mistakes. We all make them. Maybe you delete a page by accident. The good news is that Squarespace has a safety net. When you delete a page, it doesn't disappear forever. Instead, it moves it into the trash, which you'll find at the bottom of the Pages panel. To restore a page, scroll to the Deleted Page section, click on it, hover over a page you want back, and click Restore. The pages restored will automatically be placed under the Not Linked section. From there, you can rename it, edit it, or move it back into your navigation. But keep this in mind. Once you click Permanently Delete, it's gone for good. There's no way to bring it back. That's why I recommend moving pages into Not Linked instead of deleting them unless you are 100% sure. Finally, let's talk about navigation, the way people move around your site. A clean navigation is critical. If it's confusing or overwhelming, people leave before they take action. To organize your navigation, you can use folders. Let me show you. In this example, I have two folders, one for services with drop-down menu and one for other pages. In the Pages panel, click the plus button and scroll down to drop down. You can then move pages around and place them in the drop-down menu. You can directly add new page in the drop-down menu as well. To remove a page from the drop-down menu, simply click on it and drag it out and place it where you want it to be placed. To remove the drop-down menu, click on the gear icon, delete drop-down. When you create a new drop-down menu, you can give it a name. It's called, in this case, the drop-down menu is called Services. This is great for service pages. For example, if you have an acupuncture page, a massage page, a coaching page, etc., you can drop them all under this folder. Here are some best practices for your navigation. Keep your header simple. 4 to 6 main links is plenty. And use drop-down menus only when you have multiple related services or programs. Don't create too many layers. Visitors don't want to dig through menus. And always keep your most important action, like a book now, an appointment, or a contact page, visible as a main menu item. A clean strategic navigation keeps visitors focused on your offers and helps them take the next step. Now, by mastering pages, you'll have full control over your site structure, which means your visitors will have a smooth experience, and that leads to more bookings, signups, and sales. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials. And if you're inside the course, you can now move on to the next module where we'll keep building your site step by step. See you there!